Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another dip review. You can see me better.
I asked Charlene and the kids to move in with me, and they said yes. What? Wow. Way to go,
But yeah. Today I'm doing a short dip review. Putting in a Coca-Cola bottle. So you don't know about seeing the dip, so put it on. Okay. Went to the store today and got some kayak long cut moist snuff mint fruit. It's huge pack in right now. Man, I'm gonna fucking hate about eating a pack of dip can. So I can have empty and shit, but yeah, I gotta go through half the can already. Yeah, dumbass. Shit in here. Yeah, good. There we go. Kayak mint. To me, Stoker's mint is good. Yeah, fucking Copenhagen mint, and I tried both of them. Yeah, there we go. But we're under a dip wheel and kayak mint. These are pretty good. When you take it out, you get that dip aroma, you get that minty taste feeling in your mouth. But now I gotta send that down. That's the biggest fucking dip I've had in since I've done big ass kayak 3 and did that 20 videos and shit like that. But now, to me, mint, it's okay. I have to say, cool. I don't cool nigga mint. I don't know how to hear about kayak and try to take a pinch. You just hold it on your fingers and squish it all there and then try to take a dip of it. But yeah. But I kind of smile and shit. Tap my teeth. Don't care. Look at that shit. To this show it to y'all. Look at that. Yeah. The kayak net review. It's pretty good there, but anyway. I mean, I like it. And one kayak I want to try peach. Yeah, I tried it, and I tried kayak peach yet, and I want to try that next. Hopefully, when I get my money and get paid this weekend. I'm gonna do next week there. I'm going to the store next weekend, Wednesday. Get some kayak peach. The kayak peach dip review, but pretty good, really solid dip. Cause after you have a dip in for a while, almost like a movie chicken and shit like that, yeah. Me, nicotine poisoning, I never really got it. Not have a big ass ready kayak graping, not have a big ass ready minion right now. You can clearly see that shit bulging. Look at that. Look at that shit. Yeah. Anyway, next video short, my phone's about to die, but if you want to see more dip reviews, leave a comment below, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see another dip review and another sort of dip, kind of dip, leave a comment below, and another flavor or whatever. One of the brand like the Copenhagen, Kayak, Stoker's, Longhorn, Red Seal. And then I'll just chew in the back of the video. I'll do that. And then just leave a comment description below. Comment below. But anyway, next video. Peace.